Hello everybody, so today I will talk about GRE Math. The topic today is about logarithm. Here is about the question. For what positive value of c does the equation logarithm by e s equals cs power 4 have exactly one real solution for s? So we have equation in here. So we divide both sides with s power 4 in here. Now we need to consider this equation on the left, because if we want to find exactly one solution, we need to analyze this function in here. The first thing we will do about first derivative. First derivative of logarithm by e power s, you got about 1 over s power 5. The next thing, we have s power 4 in here, so 1 over s power 4, you got about s power minus 4, and that's why we have the negative number. S power minus 4, you got about number 4 in here, and logarithm s, you keep the same thing. And you got about s power 5. Now we need to find the first derivative equal to 0. So that we just care about 1 minus 4 logarithm s in here equal to 0. So that we calculate the s in here. So we know that e with the power logarithm e base e s in here, they will change to the s, and we know that this value is this point is the minimum value of this function in here. So to get exactly one solution, we just put this point in here, we can find the c. Logarithm by e, and we have e, so that's why we have the power in here, so we change to 1 over 4. E power 1 power 4 over 4, you got about e, so we calculate about the point we need to find, and the answer for the question in here is about a.